Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a subject that might just change the way you look at one of the most common ingredients in your kitchen, onions. Imagine peeling back the layers of a simple onion and discovering secrets that could literally blow your mind. In this video, we're going to reveal the shocking truth about onions. Secrets so surprising that they might make you think twice before chopping them again. If you love learning fun and unexpected facts about everyday things, you're in the right place. Before we start, I'd love to invite you to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel grow and brings you more interesting content like this. Every like and subscription lets me know you enjoy these discoveries, and I promise there's always something new and exciting coming your way. So, why are onions so amazing? They are not just tasty additions to your meals. They hide a bundle of truths that will both entertain and educate you. Today, I'll share 8 incredible truths about onions, starting from the 8th and moving all the way to the most important secret at number 1. Get ready, because these revelations might just change the way you cook, eat, and even look at this everyday vegetable. Truth 8. Onions have been a favorite in kitchens around the world for hundreds of years. Long ago, cooks discovered that adding onions to food could bring out wonderful flavors that made even simple meals taste special. They are so popular because they work well in almost any dish, from soups and salads to stews and sauces. Over time, onions have not only become a key ingredient, but also a way to bring families together over delicious, home-cooked meals. The tradition of using onions in cooking has been passed down through generations, proving that sometimes the simplest ingredients can have the most amazing impact. Truth 7. Onions are not just about great taste. They are also little powerhouses of nutrition. They are packed with important vitamins and minerals that your body needs to stay strong and healthy. Every bite of an onion gives you a boost of nutrients that help support your immune system and keep your energy levels up. Whether they are eaten raw in a salad or cooked into your favorite dish, onions add a nutritious element to your meals. This makes them a smart choice for anyone looking to enjoy delicious food while taking care of their body. Truth 6. Did you know that onions have natural healing properties? For many years, people have used onions as a natural remedy for various ailments. Research shows that they can help your body fight off infections and reduce swelling thanks to the special compounds they contain. When you add onions to your meals, you are not only enjoying great flavor, but also giving your body a little extra support in staying healthy. Their natural ability to reduce inflammation makes them a useful ally in keeping you feeling your best, especially during times when your body needs a little extra care. Truth 5. Onions are full of antioxidants, which are like little guardians for your cells. These natural compounds help protect your body from harmful substances and keep your cells working properly. Antioxidants play a crucial role in fighting off damage that comes from everyday stress and pollution. This means that every time you enjoy a meal with onions, you're not only treating your taste buds, but also giving your body a little extra defense against potential damage. In simple terms, antioxidants help keep you feeling energetic and healthy, acting as a shield that supports your overall well-being. Truth 4. Onions are great for your heart. They contain special nutrients that help keep your blood vessels flexible and your blood flowing smoothly. This natural goodness can contribute to lowering your blood pressure and reducing the risk of heart problems. When you include onions in your diet, you're doing something wonderful for your cardiovascular health. They work quietly in the background, supporting your heart by preventing the buildup of harmful substances in your arteries. This means that enjoying onions as part of your daily meals can help maintain a healthy heart and a more active lifestyle. Truth 3. Eating onions can give your immune system a helpful boost. Your immune system is like a personal defense team that protects your body from getting sick. The vitamins and minerals found in onions help strengthen this defense. making it easier for your body to fight off common colds and other infections. Not only do onions add flavor to your dishes, but they also contribute to building a stronger, more resilient body. By including onions in your meals regularly, you support your immune system and help it work better, keeping you healthier and more resistant to illnesses. Truth 2. Onions may even help with weight management in several wonderful ways. They are naturally low in calories while still bursting with flavor, which means you can enjoy their taste without adding too many extra calories to your meal. Onions also have a good amount of fiber that helps you feel fuller for a longer period of time. This feeling of fullness can reduce the urge to snack on less healthy foods between meals, making it easier to control your overall calorie intake. In simple terms, when you add onions to your dishes, you're not only enhancing the flavor, but you're also helping your body manage weight in a healthy, balanced way. Truth 1. And now, the most important truth of all. Onions contain powerful compounds that might help fight cancer. Researchers have found that certain natural chemicals in onions work like little defenders in your body, protecting your cells from damage that can lead to cancer. These compounds may help slow down the growth of harmful cells and keep your body safer in the long run. This means that by including onions in your daily meals, you are not only enjoying their rich flavor, but also taking a step towards a healthier life. It's amazing to think that such a common vegetable can have such a significant impact on protecting your health. And there you have it, 8 amazing truths about onions that show just how incredible this everyday vegetable really is. We've uncovered everything from its age-old popularity in kitchens worldwide to its powerful ability to help manage weight and even protect against serious diseases like cancer. I hope these revelations have inspired you to look at onions in a whole new light and maybe even experiment with them in your own cooking. Before we wrap up, I want to thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery. If you enjoyed learning these surprising facts, please take a moment to hit the like button, leave a comment below sharing your favorite onion recipe or tip, and subscribe for more fun and informative videos. Your support truly makes a difference and encourages me to keep exploring the fascinating world of everyday ingredients. Stay curious, keep experimenting in the kitchen, and until next time, take care and enjoy the wonderful flavors of life.